Well, I'm going to be taking apart a Hamilton Beach toaster oven. I'm going to try to use it for parts, or I could try to fix it. It's pretty old. I'll leave a note as to how old it is. Lots of screws on the back, looks like. Just use a simple screwdriver. What we're taking out. Looks like we need to take some out on the bottom also. It's a little longer one. Can't get it apart, so I'll take these out too. Those are the same, it looks like. Take off these on the back here too. Same size. Okay, there comes off the side. Okay, this is what I'm interested in right here. This thermostat. I want to try to use it in another toaster oven. So I'm going to take that out. Obviously this is where the power comes in. This is held on by this bracket here. Okay, so this knob comes off here. If you want to take it off and remove the thermostat, which I did, and test it on another unit, and it seems to be working okay. The points are dirty. Right here they could be cleaned with a fine grain sandpaper. You see them actuating there. These elements appear to be burnt. I'm going to check the resistance on them. Using my multimeter, have it set on ohms for resistance, in the lowest setting 200. And touching the ends of the elements here, we're getting some readings, but it's eventually zeroing out, showing a 1, which basically means it's got an open circuit. Where it's bad. Then that was the lower back one. Then the upper back one, it's maybe okay. Looks like at least 2 of these are bad, so, and this toaster oven is probably over 10 years old, so I don't think it's worth replacing those. Potentially other things could go out. The thermostat needs a lot of sanding on the contacts, so I'm thinking this is a fail. These are the sides. They have clips that go in. The top here. You see these burned areas. So I think at least 2 of these are bad. Otherwise I don't see any burned areas. Here's the spring for the door. It's attached right here. You can see on the inside there's quite a bit of aging. This has just a broil and a bake feature and a toast.